again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I get asked this a lot and I don't do it often enough for just easy beginner nail art. Someone asked me to do a beginner nail art for spring/Easter, so that's what I'm going to do today. And because I'm thinking it's going to be quick and easy, I thought I'll talk during the video. I'm going to try anyway. So I want to use something out of this. This is the Colorfuljuly March subscription box that I got a few videos back, guys. This little box is called the Cute box, and it came with all sorts of kawaii charms, nail charms. It came with all sorts of stuff, loads of foils, a couple of gels. So I'm going to use, I want to use some of these stickers out of this box. I don't know whether to use some of the stickers because they've got bunny rabbits on, or there is one of these foils. This one has got bunny rabbits on. Look at this, it came with Mickey, Lilo and Stitch, Hello Kitty, Winnie, Donald Duck. It came with all sorts. So yeah, I think I might use the stickers because they're so much easier than foils, aren't they, for a beginner? Yeah, if you want to watch the full unboxing of this video, it's a couple of videos back on my channel. So I'll leave these stickers out for now. So as for gel polishes, I have pulled out, I think this is set number 12 from Aimeili. I've done a swatch video on this as well. This came in a set of 12. This is the colours. Do you know what I loved about this Aimeili kit? It came in a set of 12. They're all pastels, but you kind of get, in this set, you kind of get your 6 bright pastels, and then you kind of get like your paler pastels, because a lot of people are always torn between going for the paler ones or the brighter ones. I really liked this kit because, yeah, you kind of get a bit of both, don't you? I think it was set number 12. They're available on Amazon and they're on the website as well. I've got a discount code for Aimeili and I've got a discount code for Colorfuljuly. I'll leave everything I use today, it'll all be in my description box. So shall we get on with it? As I am talking through this video, we need to get a shimmy on. So yeah, I'm going to keep this very beginner friendly, guys. So I'm going to start by just putting a little blob of each colour on my palette. Right, so on this pointer finger, I want to do just stripes across the whole of the nail, using rainbow colours. Yeah, using all these colours on my palette. So I think I'm just going to start with the yellow, straight down the middle. I want these stripes quite thin. And I'm just using a smaller brush just to tuck it right up into that cuticle area. And I'm just going to flash cure each stripe for 10 seconds, just so the colours don't bleed into each other. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp, quick flash cure. Right, then I'm going to go on to the blue. Right, then I'm going to do exactly the same with the blue. And if you haven't quite got a striper brush that's skinny enough, do you know, in the beginning, guys, for months, I used a brush that I DIY'd myself. I snipped some bristles off it to make it thinner. So if you've got an old brush, just snip some bristles off it and make it thinner. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp, and then I'm going to go on to the green. So I'm going to speed it up, guys, and I'll probably skip the other half of this nail because it's going to be exactly the same. So I'll probably speed it up now, guys, and I'll probably skip the other half of this nail just because it's going to be exactly the same, just different colours. Oh no, it's meant to be the pink. I've skipped the pink. How did I manage that? How did I manage? I thought, that doesn't look right. I've skipped the pink. It's a good job I didn't cure it, isn't it? So let's just get that off. I don't know how I managed that. So, let's go back. Let's do a rewind. Can I get a rewind? So I'm not doing the green, I'm doing the pink. How the hell did I miss the pink of all colours? Right guys, that is that finger done. Now I am going to do exactly the same on this nail, but I'm only going to do the top half of the nail. So I think I'll do that off camera. Exactly the same, it's just going to be the top half of the nail. Right, so I've done the bottom half instead of the top half. I decided to do the bottom half. So the rest of these nails, this is out the same kit, the Aimeili one. This is the pale pink. So I'm just going to paint the rest of these nails now in this colour. So that's them my two coats. I've just wiped the tacky layer off because I want to matte top coat them. I want to do some more nail art on them and I need them smooth. So quick matte top coat. Just these stripy nails actually, I think. Yeah, just these stripy nails. Right, I've put some white on my palette. And I'm just going to do some little love arts. So to do my love arts, I'm just using a dotting tool. I just want tiny little love arts. So 2 dots like that, and then bring them together in the middle. Super easy way to do little love arts. 2 dots next to each other, and then join them together in the middle like that. Just do a couple more. Right, then I am going to use the same dotting tool and do some little 4 pointed stars. I want one there, and one there. So I'm just going to use this skinny brush and just pull a line coming down out of them, and same again going up, and then same again out each side. And then I'm just going to add some little dots around the nail. Right, so that's them 2 nails nearly finished. So I'm going to stick some of these stickers on this middle nail now. So I'm going to stick a couple of these white ones on. So we'll do a couple of white ones. Make sure you get them stuck down around all the edges. You don't want any top coat going under them. Yeah, I like them. They're cute. And what I'm going to do on this ring finger, can you see this bunny? Where is he? This one. I'm going to cut whatever this, it's like Chinese writing. I'm going to cut that out so it looks like it's sat on this half a nail. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the white and I'm just going to do a straight line across here. Right, so let's stick this sticker over the white. Right guys, what I think I'm going to do on this pinky, I was going to put bling on it, but I think I'm going to use these dots on my palette and just do all different coloured dots. Yeah, I'm just going to cure that in the lamp like that, and I might put a couple of gems on this one. I'm just going to give them a generous coating of glossy top coat, just to get the nails nice and even, because these little spots are quite raised. So just a nice generous layer, glossy top coat, and then I'm going to go in with the matte top coat, because matte top coats show up every last little bump, don't they? Yeah, I've decided I'm just going to put a little bling around the corner of this nail. I'm just going to use some of my opal gems. There we go guys, that is them finished. I think they turned out really cute. I love these opal gems on pastel sets. I think they're really pretty. But yeah, I think that's a really easy set. Anybody could do that, couldn't they? All you need is a liner brush to do lines and a dotting tool. Yeah, I think that's beginner friendly. If anybody ever recreates any of my design, make sure you tag me guys. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I will leave links to everything I've used below and all my discount codes. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.